when it comes to video editing, now there is this aspect you will need to cut and join, add transition, as the case may be. In our previous class, I just did an introduction to video editing. Yeah, so now in this class, I'm going to do a proper explanation, a practical, demonstration on video editing. How well can you really edit your video? Whether you are editing it for YouTube channel or you are editing it for TikTok, for Facebook or any other platform, how well can you really edit your video? Now, in the previous class, I made mention of it is not really all about the camera you use. Yeah, camera is good, but 80% of videos or quality videos out there is editing. Now, before you can get quality out of a video, it all depends on the kind of editing you've given that very video. Like I said, you can shoot a video with an Android phone, you can shoot a video with an iPhone, and you can shoot a video with a digital camera. But if you don't give it a proper editing, trust me, you will lose quality for that video. In our previous video, I made mention of lightning. Yeah. Now, if I show off the light that is facing me on this very video right now, you see that my environment is dark. Now, with the little light I have, you see the quality of this video is coming up and the proper editing that I've given it. Yeah. So now, if you stay with me to the end of this class, I'm going to teach you how you can cut and join. Now, after shooting your video, you know there are some aspects you don't really want, or there are some aspects you did a mistake. There is no need for you to include those aspects on your video. You need to cut out. So we call it cut and join. Then I'll teach you how to add transitions to your video. Now, you need to know this. It is not all videos you add transitions. For example, you are creating a tutorial video for your YouTube channel. You don't really need much transitions. You don't really need much transition. I've seen some of your videos, the transitions are too much. If you are creating videos for maybe like an advert or maybe for your TikTok or IG, fine, you can put transitions. But any video that will warrant you to create something like tutorials and the rest, please avoid using much transition. Just use few transition, maybe like sliding and the rest. Is that okay? So I'll be teaching you how to apply transitions on your video. So if you know you don't want to miss out from the next class, all you need to do, smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, like this video, and drop a comment after the end of this video. Okay, all right. So the first thing you need to do is come to your CapCut here. Then you want to import the video you want to edit. So I'll just scroll down and go to the video I want to edit. Let's say this very video. Now, this video is on ratio 9:16. Yeah. So after doing this, you just drag it down to this your editing environment. If your device does not support HDR, click OK. Now, once you're done, look at this place of ratio. Click on this ratio and choose ratio 9:16. Now, ratio 9:16 is for maybe your TikTok, your IG, as the case may be. Now, once you're done, come to this place and enlarge it. I love enlarge it so that if I want to edit, I know what I want to do. Now, the first thing you need to do is boost your volume. Boost your volume. So I'm going to click here like this and I will increase it like this so that my volume will be audible. Once you are done with this, now if you look at the beginning of my video, you see that it is not well proper. So meaning I didn't start, all this space is wasted. So all you need to do is just take it to this place. Now, some of you that complain that I was too fast while cutting, take it to this place. Look at this tool. Do not use this very delete left. Use this very tool, split. Click on this split. Now you see that it will come to this very one. We are not deleting this one. We are deleting the aspect we don't like. So click on that one you don't like and click your delete button on your keyboard so that the video will start from the proper place. Is that okay? Now, if I view my video, you'll see something like this. This is the original video. I have not edited anything. So the next thing is for you to, edit the color, the temperature and everything. So what you need to do, just click on this arrow and click on adjustment. You can do this also with your phone. Click on adjustment, then scroll down to where you see adjust. Is that okay? Now look at the original video here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to decrease my temperature to like 15 or 10. I'll just decrease to 15. Yeah, so as you're editing, you can just be watching what you are doing. Is that okay? Then my tint also, I will increase my tint to 10. Let me take my tint to 10. Then my saturation. Now, saturation is going to bring out your real color. If you are fair or you are chocolate like me, saturation is going to bring your original color. So on the saturation, I'm just going to give it like 10 or 15. So as we're editing it, just be looking at the use. You see that the colors are coming out here. So I'll now scroll down to lightness. I will scroll down to lightness. Now you see the lightning, like the exposure. I will decrease the exposure by 2. Then the contrast, I will increase the contrast by 2. The highlights. Now, if you check this, you see some highlights here. Is that okay? You see some highlights. So I don't like highlights. I will decrease my highlight by 5, like this. Then I don't want shadow. If there is any way there is shadow on your video, just key your shadow by 2 or by 3 or by 5. So you know what you want. Just play around it. Now whites, I will increase my whites by 2, so that anything that represents white can be really white. Is that okay? Then I'll scroll down. Blacks. Now I'm putting on a black. I will decrease my black by 2, or you can increase it by 2. If you increase it by 2, yeah, your black will not be black. But if you decrease it, yeah, your black will be black. Let me decrease by 5. You see it here? And if you come down to effect, now we want the video to be sharp. If you are using phone, for this, increase your sharpness to 50. Is that okay? So me here, I'm going to increase my own to 30, and let's see. Now let's view the video. You see how sharp the video is now. So the video will be sharp. Now if we scroll down to clarity, if we scroll down to clarity, I will just give my clarity 2. I want my video to be clear by 2. Is that okay? So that it won't be blurred. I still be see the naturality of the video. And that is all about this. And I'll click on apply. So if I should turn this off and I show you the original video, you see that our edited video is now more professional. Is that okay? Now, if you want to give it proper color grading, you can use this HSI. You can use this HSL. Yeah. Now, anywhere there is a red color on your video, so you can increase the tint of the red. Yeah. Then you can increase the saturation also of the red. Let's say you're putting on red, you want it to be, red indeed. Then the lightness, you can decrease the lightness. Now anywhere you have something like blue, you can just come to this place. Now for those of you that shoot with iPhone, you want to give it like this sky background, like you want the sky to be blue, so you can actually use this. Yeah, you can increase the tint, increase the saturation. Is that okay? Now the next thing is color grading. But our color grading, the feature on TikTok is pro version. The feature on TikTok is pro version. If you come to video here, you come to retouch. Now if you click on this very retouch here, our color grading, let me see if my okay. Now you can work on your face. You see auto reshape. If you don't like your face, let's say your face is not that very smooth, or your face is too big, or your face is too wide, you can just adjust it from this very place. But I want my natural hair. I want my natural face. So I want my natural face. So you want to give it like a makeup. You want to make up your face, just click on this very place. If it is eyelashes, eyeshadow, look at the sample here. So you can actually use anyone you want here. Now, did you see my face? And I look like all these Avier guys. Let me carry my natural face. Now, this is my natural face. So you can just play around all this. Is that okay? You can actually play around all this if you want to give your face like a makeup and the rest. Now, I made measure of color grading here. Now, when we come to color grading, it is very, very important for us to know that color grading. But the color grading feature on CapCut, trust me, it has been removed unless you have the pro version. I am using the free version, so I may not see that color grading. Is that okay? and they not see that color grading. I am using the free version, but if you are using the pro version, you see that this color grading is going to be there on your CapCut. You see the color grading will be there on your CapCut. Then you can use your color. Then you can use your color grading. But since I don't have my color grading, so I'll just leave this very place. So now we've tuned our color, we've tuned our face and everything. We've increased the volume and everything. So now the next thing now is, how do you really cut? Now you see all this empty space. We need to cut out all this empty space. So what you need to do, you play your video. Assume you received that info. Assume you received that. Now you see that the first time I did a mistake, so I want to cut out that mistake. I'll just take it to this place. I'll use this clit. I'll click on it and I will delete. Then I'll go and replay again. As you know, we received that information that the end of this age is this year 2025. Now you see this empty space, I don't like it, so I'll just take it here. I'll split. Yeah, so you can as well drag. You just go this, and when it comes to this object, just click and drag and cover that space. So it will not be like this. Now how will you really feel? I don't need this space also. I'll just click. Then I will drag like this. Will it be joyful? So this is how you cut out every part that is not necessary on your video. Is that okay? Any part that is not necessary. So assume maybe. So I don't like this. Now you see this enough space. I don't like this space. Or what if you would? Now you see that this space is a mistake. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut out this very space. I don't need it. I'll just delete it like this. Then I'll come back. Or what if you realize that you have just 1 hour to live on this earth? Now, let me just talk about 1 hour to live. So this was how I edited this video you saw on TikTok. So I'm just going to cut this. Then I'll teach you how you can do highlights. Then I'll cut off this because I don't need this space. Go to the comment section. Cut out this. Tell us. I'll cut out this. Share this video. Now, I want to stop here and I'll delete all this. So this is my main video here. So let's play from beginning. As you know, we received that information. Let me cut it from here. And that's it. And that's it. Let me just start from D instead of that D. So let's make it like this. Assuming we received that information, the end of this age is this year 2025. Now, how will you really feel? Will you be joyful? Or what if you realize that you have just 1 hour to live? What will you really do with that 1 hour? Go to the comment section. Tell us. Share this video. Now, did you see the highlights? So now, to make it more proper, so I want to give some transition. But first, let me increase zoom in, zoom out. So I'll receive that information in end of. So I'll just click on this. Now look at this angle here. I'll just drag it and increase this very one. Yeah. So I've started transition. So end of this age is this year 2025. Now how will you really feel? Will you be joyful? Now this very one, I will increase it also to be like this. So to not be. Will you be joyful? Or what if you realize that you have just 1 hour to live? Oh. Now I will increase this, but I'll drag it to the left like this. Do with that 1 hour. Go to the comment section. Now I will increase this share to be this. Tell us, share this video. Now you did see it. So now I have now cut join, zoom in and zoom out. Now let's now add transition. Now look at this place that is transition. Now if you are using your phone, your own phone will show animation. Is that okay? Phone, on your phone it will be animation. So just click on it. Now you will see camera, you see different kind of transition. All you just need to do is click, drag, and on this space like this, I'll just click and drag on this place like this. I'll just use this. So I have already downloaded it. So on your own it will show download. So just download it and everything will be cool. So after editing, this is how your video will now look like. As you will receive that information, the end of this age is this year 2025. Now, how will you really feel? Will you be joyful? Or what if you realize that you have just 1 hour to live? Or you will do with that 1 hour? Go to the comment section. Tell us. Share this video. Now, did you see it? So we've added transition, we've done that. So the next thing to make it sweet is to add like music background and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on audio. Yeah. Now, if you want to use CapCut audio, you just here, you search everything. But if you have your own very music you want to use, click on import. I have my music I want to use. I'll click on music, then I'll click on sound. Then I'll use okay, let me use this sound. Then I'll drag it down like this. So I'm going to decrease the volume so that the volume will not be that very higher than my voice. And I'm going to reduce it like this. Then I'm going to cut this end because the video ended in this place. So I'm going to split the, then I'll delete this very one. So let's view how plus the music and everything, how it looks like now. As you know, we received that information. The end of this age is this year 2025. Now, how will you really feel? Will you be joyful? Or what if you realize that you have just 1 hour to live? Or you will do with that 1 hour? Go to the comment section. Tell us. Share this again. Now, you see, let's play it again. As you know, we received that information. The end of this age. Now, it's as if the volume is low. So I'm going to increase the volume a bit. Let's just start. As you know, we received that information. The end of this age is this year 2025. Now, how will you really feel? Will you be joyful? Or what if you realize that you have just 1 hour to live? Or you will do with that 1 hour? Go to the comment section. Tell us. Share this video. As you know, we received that information. Now, did you see it? So this is how you actually do cut and join. You add transitions to your video. Like I said, all this kind of transition, if you want to add short clip like this that can bring out highlights, that can draw attention, so you can use something like this. Is that okay? So I hope you found value in this very video. By now, I believe you must have known how to edit, how to cut, how to increase volume, how to add transitions and everything. So video editing is not hard. It's just for you to add creativity. Is that okay? Like I said, if you want to do your color grading, you can actually use an external software, maybe like Premiere Pro, for color grading, because the color grading on CapCut is Pro, and if you don't have the Pro version, you can't really use that very color grading. So that's why we improvise by tuning our color, adding saturation, clarity, sharpness, as the case may be. So you just have to be creative. Now, every video demands editing. Is that okay? So there are some videos you don't really need to add much editing. You just make it light and make it easy for everybody to see the quality of that very video. Like I said, it is not all video you should add transitions. Your YouTube videos don't really need transition, because more of YouTube videos are tutorials, long videos and the rest like that. So you just have to be creative, apply wisdom while editing your videos. I hope you found value in this video. If you do, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be first to receive our videos whenever we release them. Like this video, go to the comment section, drop a comment, ask your question. I will come and answer your question. Now, your comment will actually keep us going in preparing or making other videos. Share this video to as many you want to share them to, and I will see you in the next video.